TAG's Total Anti-Graffiti Solution was contracted to perform high-pressure cleaning of a 12-story external fire escape stairwell. The works were completed using specialized high-pressure equipment without the use of chemicals due to the site's close proximity to a river. Comprehensive environmental controls were implemented, including full drain protection and sediment containment measures, to prevent any runoff from entering the waterway. This approach ensured compliance with environmental regulations, while delivering a thorough and effective clean across all levels of the structure. TAG's expertise in environmentally responsible cleaning solutions allowed the project to be completed safely, efficiently, and with minimal environmental impact.
High-pressure streams, they dance and gleam, washing away the dirt's bad dream. Mold and grime, we wipe the slate, safely cleaned all the time. Clean and green, the surface shines, safe to play 1,000 times. Checks they care and clean the scene, surface safety is our aim. An eco plan, environmental friendly, that's our stand. Dirt can't stay, it's gotta run. Clean is work, but it feels like fun. Clean and green, the surface shines, safe to play 1,000 times. Checks they care and clean the scene, surface safety is our aim. We make the dirt fade away, high-pressure sprays that twirl and sing. Our concern is everything. Clean and green, the surface shines, safe to play 1,000 times. Checks they care and clean the scene, surface safety is our aim. We make the dirt fade away, high-pressure sprays that twirl and sing. Our concern is everything. Clean and green, the surface shines, safe to play 1,000 times. Tags they care and clean the scene, surface safety is our aim.
Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe to my channel by clicking the link X.